Welcome to Aicompu classes. Learn how to extract characters from the left side of text or numbers using Excel's left formula. The left function extract a specified number of characters from the left side of a text value. First, we will learn the basic left formula with an example. First, type is equal to left, select the cell counting the name, comma 4 because we want to extract 4 characters from the left side, then close bracket and enter. Now drag the fill handle downward to apply the formula to the of the remaining space in the full name. The left function then extract all the characters before that space. Because the first name have different length of fixed formula such as is equal to left first bracket select name comma 5 bracket close then enter. We will not work correctly for every name. Category code. For this example I have created a table. Is equal to left bracket select product ID comma 3 bracket close then enter. We can use the left formula to extract the three letters of a product ID and create a separate category code. Now we will extract the first 3 digits of each phone number. First select is equal to left bracket select cell comma type 3 because we want the first 3 digits from the left side, close the bracket then press enter. Now drag the formula downward to get the result for all phone numbers. Now we will extract the year from a text date. Type is equal to left bracket select cell comma then enter 4 because a year contains 4 digits bracket close then enter. Now drag the formula downward to extract the year from all dates. Now let us complete a practice assignment. We have several employee code and we want to extract the department code before the happen is equal to left bracket select cell comma then use the find function find bracket invited comma underscore invited comma select cell bracket -1 bracket close then enter. Finally now drag we the will formula extract characters from the right side all the department codes is equal to right. In this way we can use the right formula in different table to extract characters from the right side. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you can watch our new Excel video first.